No worries. Cut. Namaskar, my name is Vinesh. In this video, we're gonna react to highly requested Nepali rap. Many of guys, like recently, many of my Nepali subscribers show so much love. So that's the reason I decided to react with my friends. Joining us as my friend.
Hi guys, I'm Nishant and he's Sanjay.
Probably if you don't know, so if you guys, based on the response, because it's like the first time reacting to a Nepali rap. When it's like me, I reacted to a lot of Nepali rap. You guys show so much love. So I truly love.
I never know that you do Nepali videos too.
Yeah, I do, because they just give so much good response.
What more that you do?
Huh?
What more that you're doing?
I just do Nepali rap. I just
Nepali and what are all those things? Nepali, Turkish and
Turkey. A lot of things, a lot of countries. So guys, they don't know, but I will just say in personal time. But so let's concentrate on the video. This artist is called Mr. D. I already reacted to this artist. The song which I reacted to most like Wild, Mr. D. Oh. The name of the song is Wild, which I reacted to before. When
like this looks like Hindi.
But the thing is, yeah, almost Hindi. But in Nepali, almost. Nepali is not all the text. I mean, the thing what you just is similar. That thing is similar. But when it's like speaking a little bit different. Also, when we have to say thank you, in Nepali also Dhanyavad. We say Dhanyavad. Same, just like in yeah. That's what I just want to say. So, guys, this name of the song is called Kale Banyo Talai. That's how I have to pronounce. I guess I'm not sure. But the thing is, I just auto translated it. The Nepali part. Nepal 2 is being formed. That's what it's given. So
it's something like a split.
Yeah, something. It's not sure. I'm not sure whether it's accurately correct. So do let us know in the comment down below, or if the translation is exactly correct. But if it's wrong, do let us know what's the exact translation. So with being said, I don't want to delay much further. So before, and I just want to say subscribe, hit the notification, follow me in my Instagram and Facebook. Also do follow our friends. All link in the description. I just want to tell them. I just want to pressurize them. So I just say always to subscribe and all that. So remind you guys. So sometimes people still don't do that, even though I say many times. That's the reason I just say. I hope you get me.
You deserve
being said,
he deserves that.
Thanks man. With being said, let's go. Okay.
This video is gonna be cool, I hope.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool. I get the vibe already. Police? I love the way how they're showing some kind of recorded in the camera.
Police first.
The subtitle is not here, unfortunately, but if it's it will be so cool. No worries. We will just say whatever.
You can understand.
Yeah, by seeing the video.
We know Hindi.
Yeah.
Somewhat we can understand.
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yeah, no, not exactly will be like that.
Let's see. Even I'm hearing to Nepali song. This is the first time.
You see, he's Mr. D.
Damn, he looks so young.
Yeah. The flow is awesome.
What is it about?
I'm not sure. I have no idea.
We have
some convoy, some protest things.
Yeah, I think it's about their country, because I recently reacted to an artist called Unique Poet. In that song, he just say
something political.
Not political, about their country. Political also involved. But the thing is, he put a song Mero Desh Birami, which means I will develop my country. My country will become good. Something like that, patriotic way. So all the rappers they want to say about their country, what's going on, the exact situation, the government. Guys, let us know in the comment down below. You go to the comment section, they will all explain.
That is what rap's all about. So it's just a story.
Yeah, of course.
They're just singing.
Love it.
It's about them or about the society.
Yeah. Damn, the beat is awesome. what he's doing, man.
Yeah, that's what they're.
It's kind of showing weird stuff.
That's not a weird stuff.
Thing.
It's about their
No,
country
wait. Can anyone do like
It's about their country again.
No, I
It's
accept.
not that much.
Wait. What he's doing
It has
exactly?
Yeah, that's a road. That's a road. It's not of
Yeah,
good quality.
yeah, maybe, guys.
They are showing that.
Yeah.
See, this is how our government is.
Yeah, maybe,
The same way how people
guys.
also do.
What Sanjay is
Everything has something to do with that.
once again, guys. If what Sanjay is saying is right, do let us know in the comment down below. What you're saying might be right because sometimes I assume like without subtitle, I assume something in a music video, but it's totally wrong.
Peel off road just
No.
for the
Yeah.
video's sake.
Yeah.
Because
Maybe
it's government's road.
Yeah, of course. But the thing is, I experienced like I just guessed something in a music video which I reacted, but it's totally wrong because in the comment section.
Guys, let us know.
Guys,
Yeah,
apps always
let
about
us-
something. You
let
can
us
understand
know.
just by watching the video.
Yeah, let us know.
Apps
Let us
always
know.
about some
Since it
story.
has no subtitle, we are just hardly just get anything. But do let us know what he is rapping about, what everything. Put it down in the comment section. Spam the comment section.
I know Sanjay is right.
Yeah, maybe. I too believe, but I'm not sure. Look at that. They're
Look at the wall.
protesting.
Look at the
Protesting.
They are doing some protest. That's the national flag.
Yeah, Nepali flag.
It's like some kind of freedom they want
Yeah.
from the existing government.
Oh, also they want to show something. Oh, it's amazing.
But our guys, they don't have this much guts to talk about our government.
Yeah. You know.
To the rappers or singers.
Yeah, of course. But usually, what he exactly say
That's
is right. You know. So yeah, but the thing is, what he's doing also, he's not the only one. I also is a unique poet. I reacted to a Nepali rapper. He also sings about his country. My country should be going good, and something like that. So I love most of the Nepali rappers. I find something in common which they sing about their country.
Yeah, more than
their
that, exposing the country is much more.
Yeah, love it, guys. Love it, guys.
Then
Love
when
it,
you
guys.
gain the global support.
Love it.
They're just letting us know what's actually
Who's the
happening.
beating?
Oh my God.
That's all.
He is definitely speaking about the government. Look at that. The police is beating this girl, this Nepali girl. Look at
Such a
that.
violent thing to happen.
Oh shit.
Right? She's carrying a baby or
Yeah,
what?
she's
Carrying a baby, right?
Wait. Back.
It's not
Pass
right
it.
to do so.
Wait. She's carrying a
That's
baby.
insane.
She's carrying a baby. Guys, this is insane, guys. Guys, do let us know what's going on. Why you want to beat like that? A girl with a baby? Why the... It's like, you know... I don't know what to say, guys. Let us know in the comment down below. We don't know what exactly going there, but...
That guy has to be punished, please.
Yeah. Why you wanna show that? I
don't
think
know why.
you wanna say the government is poop or something, or government is trash.
They are
No,
shitting on some text.
something
Yeah,
like
there's
that
some
to
flag with
to
the
show
text.
hatred to the government.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
But
it's some kind of political flag. It's okay, man. It's fine. Don't see that. It's a political flag.
okay, just
No worries. Cut. That's a title, I think. Kalepono Talai. That's the title.
Actually, girls shake their booty.
Oh, he's Swami G.
At least for once we must see the lyrics.
Yeah. Guys, do let us know in the comment. They will show. Definitely explain us. Don't worry. Yeah. Oh my god. Also, I just want to say, many of my Nepalis have recently said, in Nepal, a lot of rapes happen, just like in India. More than India, like in Nepal, more of the rap. India happens, but in Nepal it's more. Many of my Nepali subscribers said, guys, that's like fucking, I can't accept, guys. This need to be something. Whatever the country may be, this needs to be stopped. Nepali
People
police.
have to change. Those people, they have to.
Oh shit, he's beating him. Definitely this
I
song.
don't know, I couldn't able to vibe to this song. Something, an eye-opener.
Yeah, of course. Even we don't know the lyric and we just. What did he say? What she said?
She's complaining about.
Yeah, she said something. The government is fucked up or something like that.
Yeah, that's.
Guys, wow, that was amazing. Even though we didn't get it exactly with the meaning and all that, but we can get it using by seeing the visuals, because the visual exactly
You
saying
can
is
clearly
like
see what's the story.
against the government.
Yeah.
You know, fuck
What
you
is
guys.
what is
I don't know whether it's against the government. They are showing about how
Issues,
the government is
issues,
functioning.
and yeah, of course, guys. Do let us know more about this music video in the comment down below, so that we exactly know what's going on. All that means a lot to guys. And also thanks to the subscriber who requested me, because of you guys, I just like, it's been a while, but I didn't get the notification from the subscriber. But anyways, thanks for letting us know. So guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel along with the
Bell icon.
Yeah, means a lot.
Yeah.
Smash the like button. Comment down. Subscribe. Comment down below. All those things means a lot to me, guys. Also, do follow us in social medias like Instagram and Facebook. All link in the description down below.
Please do explain what is
Yeah, of
going
course.
on.
Yeah.
Of course, we are interested. And also, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do share this video to the maximum, and let's thank them for watching. In Nepali also, just like Hindi, Dhanyavad. You know, we need to say Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching our reaction. Do share the video. If you really love the reaction, do share the video. And also, don't forget to put it on the comment section what this song is about and all that crystal clear, so that we know.
Yeah,
so
tell about Nepal. We want to know.
Yeah, we want to know more. Nepal is one of my bucket list. Kathmandu.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon. That's the most important.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. With being said, I'm just going to end this video right now. As always, so see you guys in the next video. Until then,
Bye-bye.
peace and bye bye.